She's got the right idea. Just stay inside.
Well, earlier in the month, we were staying inside because of the heat. Today, we stayed inside because of the rain.
Right. Stay inside. That's the key here. For the next day, in fact, it's going to rain heavily, and we've got a flood watch in effect, and we'll talk about the timing here. But the bulk of rainfall that rolled through this morning, we got the break, we got sunshine. We actually had 90 degrees in between that, and now the cluster of thunderstorms has moved generally away from us. But look at this batch of heavy rainfall queued up and ready to go. That arrives tonight, continues overnight, and then into tomorrow as well. There's a close-up of Next Radar Network. Just a few pockets of moderate showers at this point here, but all of our neighborhoods have cleared out. As far as the heavy rainfall, still a few light sprinkles across western areas here, but that would be it. We're in a lull now. That's not going to last all that long. In fact, we don't have to wait for this batch. I think out ahead of it, we're going to have additional development, and so over the next several hours, we'll begin to see some more rainfall pulling in. 2 to 4 inches. That's about the general total that I'm expecting from Fort Lauderdale, from all of Broward, in fact, down towards Miami-Dade. But there will be pockets of heavier downpours, and that could result in upwards of 6 inches easily with this tropical air mass that we're dealing with here. 86 degrees currently in Miami, so that's a good thing, right? When was the last time we saw 80s here on the whole map? I don't remember. A 78 in Homestead, so that's quite something. But heading into tomorrow, we do have the next alert because the flood watch is going to go up at 8 p.m. tonight from the National Weather Service, as you saw there, with obviously heavy rounds of rain. And this is going to continue throughout the day. It'll be on and off. It won't be the kind of day tomorrow we wake up sunshine and then afternoon storms. It's going to be a little steadier, something more unusual because it is an organized disturbance in the upper levels that's coming in and bringing us all this moisture. So that's going to continue pivoting through. You see that through the overnight. Lisan Gonzalez will be busy tomorrow morning with you, waking up early there. And then we continue to see kind of batches of rain pivoting in with that low. But it does pull away by the time we get into Friday. Not that we're going to completely dry out, but it'll be more manageable. So we'll get some morning coastal showers, and then we'll transition into some afternoon thunderstorms. It's still going to be pockets of heavy rainfall, but it won't be like it will be tonight and into tomorrow. Tracking the tropics, very quiet now after we had that one disturbance that's rolling over us. The one in the Caribbean is done, and then this is the last feature, the only feature that the National Hurricane Center is putting a tag on it. 30% probability of it developing once it gets over the area you see here, and that's going to be north of the Lesser Antilles. The models that we're looking at right now want to pull this to the north. So I think this one is going to go north if all goes accordingly to plan here. So we'll keep you posted, but right now certainly not a threat for us. As we continue with numerous showers and thunderstorms throughout the day, tomorrow rain coverage is going to be high. We've got a next alert, and then we'll begin to dry things out. The weekend looks great, though. Saturday, Sunday, we warm back up, though, but rain chances coming back down 30 to 40%.